Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Wise account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Access the Wise website or app and enter your login credentials to sign into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Security or Account Settings section in your profile menu. This is where you can manage your security features. Step 3. Select Two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will typically have options such as using an authentication app like Google Authenticator or receiving SMS codes. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen method, you may need to enter a verification code to confirm. Once verified, save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Wise account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure.